Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are talking about something that is going to completely blow your mind. This is the 2026 Bentley luxury motorhome concept, and honestly I have been doing this channel for a long time, but nothing has prepared me for what I am about to show you. This is not just a vehicle. This is a moving palace on wheels, and Bentley has taken everything they know about building the finest luxury cars in the world and packed it into this absolutely monstrous and breathtaking machine. So let us get straight into it. Starting with the exterior, and the first thing that hits you when you see this vehicle in person is just how massive and dominant it looks. The body is finished in a deep matte obsidian black that absorbs light in the most dramatic way possible. Every panel is smooth and sculpted, and there is not a single unnecessary crease anywhere on this body. The front fascia is incredibly aggressive with a cab-over design and stacked LED matrix headlights that glow in a sharp warm amber tone. Right in the center of that front hood sits the iconic Bentley winged B emblem finished in 24-karat gold, and it immediately tells you exactly what kind of machine this is. The Bentley name runs in bold gold lettering across the upper front panel, and it is impossible to miss. Running along the full length of the body is a continuous gold accent stripe that connects the front to the rear like a golden spine. The rear of the vehicle wraps up beautifully with full-width LED taillights that match the amber tone of the front headlights and give this motorhome a very cohesive and intentional look from every angle. The wheels deserve their own moment because they are genuinely spectacular. We are talking about custom 22.5-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels finished in brushed champagne gold with Bentley center caps and black low-profile performance tires. This thing sits incredibly low for its size, and that gives it a planted athletic stance that you would never expect from something this large. Now let us step inside, and this is where things get truly unbelievable. The moment you walk through that hydraulic entrance door and climb those retractable steps, you are greeted by a main lounge area that looks like it was lifted directly from a 5-star penthouse hotel. The seating is a full quilted leather sectional finished in cream and black with the signature Bentley diamond stitch pattern that you will recognize from their Continental GT. The floor is covered in deep pile cream carpet that is so soft you genuinely feel guilty walking on it. Built into the forward wall is an 85-inch 8K OLED screen with a home entertainment system that puts most living rooms to shame. The walls and ceiling are paneled in hand-selected burl walnut wood with integrated LED lighting channels that wash the room in warm golden light. Every window has automatic privacy blinds with gold trim, and the panoramic glass panels give you incredible views from inside no matter where you are parked. Moving through to the kitchen, and Bentley has absolutely not cut any corners here. The cabinetry is matte black lacquer with gold hardware, and it looks completely flawless. The countertops are white marble with gold veining that flows continuously from one end to the other. There is a fully integrated Sub-Zero refrigerator that sits completely flush with the surrounding cabinets, and a full induction cooktop with a Bentley branded exhaust hood above it. The brushed gold faucet over the undermount sink is the kind of detail that takes this kitchen from impressive to outrageous. The master bedroom sits at the rear of the motorhome, and it is the kind of space that most people would genuinely be happy living in permanently. There is a king-size bed with a full quilted leather headboard, silk duvet, Bentley monogram pillows, and motorized blackout blinds that glide silently with a single button press. Alongside the bedroom sits the ensuite bathroom, which features an onyx marble finish from floor to ceiling with gold veining, a freestanding brushed gold bathtub, a full rain shower enclosure with frameless glass, and a backlit vanity mirror. It is spa-level luxury in a vehicle. Back up front in the driver cockpit, and this is where the technology meets the opulence. The dashboard spans the full width and is stitched in two-tone Bentley leather with gold metal accents on the air vents and controls. The instrument cluster is fully digital with a curved display that wraps around the driver, and the central 15-inch touchscreen runs Bentley proprietary software. The captain chair in quilted black leather with gold stitching and a Bentley wing badge on the headrest makes the driving experience feel like sitting in the finest business class seat you have ever been in. Now for the number that everyone wants to know, and yes, this is going to be a big one. The 2026 Bentley luxury motorhome concept is expected to be priced starting from around $2.8 million, and that can rise significantly with custom options and bespoke finishes. Bentley is reportedly targeting an extremely limited production run aimed at private collectors, royalty, and high-net-worth individuals globally. Only a handful of units are expected to be built each year, which makes this one of the most exclusive vehicles on the planet. And that is the 2026 Bentley luxury motorhome in all its glory. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to MH Car Review for more content like this. Drop a comment below and tell us what you think about this insane machine. We will see you in the next one.